Page 9, Ocean Waves. Let's look at the key signature. No sharps or flats, so is it C major or A minor? Well, look at the end. You're ending here. It's an A minor chord. Doesn't have the E in it, but it's an A minor chord. So I guess it's an A minor. That's what I'm guessing. Now we get the scale in both hands. Let's just take the right hand first. Here, 1 and 2 and. That's the natural scale going up because we didn't use a G sharp. And then the quarter notes come down third finger. Second line, now you're here. Thumb on the G, cross over. B flat. That is a D minor scale. It's got one flat because it's a relative minor to F major. F major has one flat. D minor has one flat. That's it. Wouldn't hurt then, I guess, to do my scale video on D minor. Now, and then you quarter notes. Third line is like the first line. This part, the quarter notes are different. The last line, again, for the right hand, it's just that scale again. Left hand. Here, and then come up. It's an A minor scale going down. Thumb on the E. Here, second line, you're up here. Remember, this is D minor, so it's a D minor scale. Thumb right there. Then back to here. This is like the first line then, and then the last line, you're here. And again, except now it has an AVA under the staff. Remember the AVA, if it's above the staff you go up, and if it's below the staff you go down. So here, you go down to here. And that dotted line goes all the way to the end then. Stay down there. Try to put the hands together very slowly. Did I say this is in common timer 4/4? I forgot. It is. Anyway, it's here. The 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. The left hand comes up when you play the B, because the left hand's a quarter note. 1 and 2, right there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. See, that's a quarter note. So hold that down until you play the G and the 1. Right there. 1. Get a 1 beat rest, and then we go up here. Do the same thing in D minor. Then back down to A minor. Rest. That's a quarter note. 1 and 2. Rest. So, the idea with the scales is it's got to be smooth and even. So the speed you go is not important. It's got to be smooth and even. If you have to go really, really super slow, great, go for it. The speed will come later. Don't worry about it. It'll come. Even, controlled, even, and smooth. That's what really is. That'll do more than anything else to help you out. Now, articulation, most of it's slurred. You have the staccato at the end. Nice light wrist staccato. If you can use arm staccato if you want to. It's loud. I don't know why they put an accent on it on a loud note, a loud staccato. I mean, it's going to be accented anyway on piano, but they did. Okay. Dynamics, it starts out medium loud, and that's pretty much all of it here. I just play it all, both hands about the same here, and it's medium loud, and it looks like it's medium loud pretty much all the way through until the end. Then they want you crescendo to loud. There's not a lot of difference between medium loud and loud. So in my opinion, you could come down a little bit, maybe start at medium soft, keep a little more room, and stay medium soft. Then come up just a hair, second measure. Then come up to medium loud here for the third measure here. Now you're loud. Don't get loud until the last note. So you got to take your time crescendoing, otherwise you'll be loud by the second measure. You'll be loud immediately. You'll be loud right there. Doesn't want to be loud there. It wants to be loud at the end. There's some interpretive things we can do. For instance, in there I can crescendo each measure. So I can start the first measure at medium loud and go to loud. And then in the next one, I'll come down to medium loud and go back up to loud. Here. And the next measures, go back down to medium loud and crescendo again. So I'm crescendoing with each measure. It's an interpretive thing. We need to talk about interpretation, because interpretation is where you get to add your own, make it yours. Just don't violate what the music's telling you to do. All right, just so. I could crescendo each one of those. It's an interpretive thing. It's don't have to. The crescendo. I could wait on the crescendo and not do any crescendo until maybe the third measure. Just keep. Now start crescendoing. Like so. Whatever. The idea is don't play the whole thing at one level. It says medium loud, that's all you get. Don't play it all medium loud. You gotta feel it, get to know it, and then feel it here. I can come up there, come up, and here. I could maybe come down to soft here. Maybe come down to soft again. So I'm kind of getting it louder and softer as I go through it, rather than keeping it the same level all the time. Now, speed-wise, they say con moto. That means with motion. It means move it. Well, I'm saying accuracy and control is more important than speed. So your move it might be different than my move it. So it's what does it take to play these eighth notes even? That's what's important. So don't play it faster than that. Over time, as you get better with piano, your ability to play faster will increase. All by itself. You don't have to help it happen. It'll happen, believe me, especially if you're practicing the scales as I describe in the scale video. But this will come. Right now, keep it slow. Maybe that's too fast. Slow it down. That's okay. As long as it's controlled and even, that's what's important. I like to do a play with me on this slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this out slowly. 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 2. And 3 and rest and. and 3 and rest and. Rest, rest.